So today we are going to go to Ikea with my lovely mother right here, who is way dressed out to go to Ikea. Anyways, we are going to look for a present for my dad because his birthday's in a few days. We're going to try to find one of those like things to hold your laptop in, and it's like a cushion and it's like a flat. So we're going to look for those and we're just going to have some fun in Ikea. So let's go. Okay, I don't know what else to do. Are you filming? Are you filming?
Yes, I'm feeling
No, film the road, I said, because we have to show them how we turn into there.
Everyone knows how to drive to Ikea. You know, it's so funny.
A conspiracy theory. Look at all these mattress stores. There's one.
Ooh.
And then
There's another one.
And then we have a Sleep Mart behind Sleep Country.
There's one more.
You can use this to zoom in.
Да, я думаю, всем видно. I think everyone sees that.
Wait, do we
You can got it.
No, do we turn here or the next one? I don't really remember.
Here.
Here? Okay.
Now we're going to turn right. Here.
Where do we go? That's closed. How do we get to Ikea? What?
Go straight.
Oh, and then when do we turn left here? This is very on twisted road. Oh, let's go straight. Let's not turn yet. Look, there it is. Do you even know what you're filming? You're not even looking at what you're filming. You're just holding it. It's probably looking at the dashboard.
A little.
No, you're gonna be filming how we're arriving at Ikea. Should we?
Okay, here we are arriving to Ikea.
Where should we park? Should we park closer?
I think we should park inside, so I will not get wet.
Yeah.
Because I
Well,
don't have
I
an
was prepared.
umbrella.
See, I was prepared. I came prepared.
Oh.
Okay, you can stop it.
Okay, we're stuck now.
Okay, you can. You told me I was fine. Okay, I'll repark. Or is that okay? Okay. Wait, I have to lock it. Okay, let's go. Yeah, I'm in between the lines. It's all good. Oh, that's heavy. I mean, your thoughts? I think we should get these. Aren't they pretty? Okay, welcome to my room tour. Here you can see this is my queen bed.
Please, yes, I know what to do. You don't have to tell me.
This them. Ready? Oh my god, light comes out. Watch, ready?
Lights.
Ready?
Wow.
Ready?
Look at this.
And then you have like a double, and then there's whatever that is. Then we're gonna just close that, and then we're gonna open these beautiful curtains, and we get. Oh look, there's one here. Ooh. There you go. You can just close that up, and yeah, and then we have this beautiful light right here. That doesn't do anything. I think I'm gonna break that. Great, and that's it. So this is my outfit, and then this is my mom's outfit. I think she overdressed for this occasion, but she still looks pretty.
Thank you.
Let's continue. Okay, we got some food, and then we're gonna eat, and then we're gonna continue. We're gonna continue on with our shopping because we still haven't found the gift. Are you tired? So we still haven't found what we're looking for at the end of the store, so we have to go back and try to find it. Okay, let's go find it. I don't like the smell of all these candles either. This is so difficult.
We don't have to go back. We just can ask.
Oh, yeah. Ew, there's hair. Okay, we're looking and it says that the product is under workspaces, so we're trying to find it. Where's the W? This is really bad. I can't even, this is wardrobe. It's not, what? I'm confused. Where is workspaces? Why is this? Are they lying to us? Oh my god, it's in the showroom. We missed it. It's on the fourth one in the showroom. No, we have to go all the way back upstairs.
On the second floor?
Yeah. We have to go all the way back up because we missed it. Oh.
Okay, and then we'll have some more meatballs and some ice cream.
Okay, let's go back up to the showroom. How do we get up there? Coming? Okay, we found it. It's the thing because then you can sit and like, yeah, are you gonna test it out?
The demo. Laptop here.
Okay, do we get that one or do we get the white one?
У него, по-моему, трей такой же, белый с черным, да?
Okay, then let's get the black and white one. Alright, let's go buy this. She wanted the photo with the Christmas tree, so we're gonna take some. No, stop. I'm confused, okay? No. Ah. Yes. Hold on. Stop it. I'm not ready. No, I'm not a member. This is going too fast.
It's so stressful.
There we go. Do you want to go? Hi, can I get the swirl frozen yogurt?
Alias listo.
I could just scroll down. Okay, friends, it's time to go home. Where's my mom? Where'd she go? There she is. She's carrying everything. Okay.
Promotions and so much more. For more information, visit ikea.ca/Wi-Fi.
Did you have a fun trip? Did you have a fun trip with me?
Of course, I got meatballs.
Okay. That's it for us, okay? Say bye. Bye.